Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify depreciation schedule with FreshBooks tax tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your FreshBooks account and log in. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Transactions section on the left sidebar. Click on Accounting under the Transactions menu. In the Accounting section, click on Tax Tools. Select Depreciation Schedule from the options available. Review the default depreciation settings provided by FreshBooks. If necessary, add any new assets by clicking the Add Asset button. Input the asset details, including purchase price and date. Select the appropriate depreciation method for your asset. Once all information is entered, click Save. Return to the depreciation schedule and review the calculations. Make sure the numbers align with your records. If adjustments are needed, edit the asset details as required. Double-check the total depreciation amount shown at the bottom. Ensure it matches your anticipated figures. Once satisfied, you can download the schedule for your records. Use this information for your upcoming tax preparations. Regularly update your depreciation schedule as you acquire new assets. Remember to consult with a tax professional for accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.